Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your chat theme color on WhatsApp. So WhatsApp just got a fresh new update and now you can customize your chat theme color. Like this one, the one that I'm currently using here. I'm using this purple color as my color, my chat theme color. So if you want to know how I can do it, you can just you can just follow the step by step that I'm going to show you on how you can change your chat theme color and personalize your WhatsApp experience. So before you start finding the chat theme color setting, you need to make sure that you already have the updated WhatsApp applications. So make sure the WhatsApp is up to date on your device. Just find WhatsApp on App Store or Play Store and see if there is any update available. Then you need to update it as soon as possible. Okay, once your WhatsApp is up to date, you can just go back and find the settings. You can click on the three dots icon and go to the WhatsApp settings and go to the chats options, and here theme. If previously you choose a system default or dark, and then you need to change it first into light, click on OK, and then you'll see these options. So you can see there are lots of chat theme color that you can select it from the WhatsApp. You can also customize it on your own. You can change the chat color. For example, I'm going to go with this one right here. So this is how it will look like this. You can also change the wallpaper. You can click on it and then choose the one that you like. For example, I'm going to change it into this one. So this is how it will look like. You can customize again if you want to the chat color to the color that you want. So once you're done, you can click on the check icon at the top and tap on set theme. So let's see how it will look like now. Okay, so as you guys can see now, the color is changed according to the one that I selected before. And so that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.